Okay, so it's Tuesday, and our lives' most challenging chapters frequently contain the seeds of our most significant personal growths. Traumatic experiences and painful memories may feel like heavy emotional burdens, but with time, introspect, and growth, you can transform those into strength, wisdom, and courage. What once broke us can teach us how to heal, and what once silenced us can empower us to speak more confidently. Our past does not define us, it refines us. It's all about self-love, healing, restoration. Let's go!